Hi, I'm Michael Romine with Houston Grass. If you're looking for sod installation in Angleton, Texas, you're in the right place. We serve Angleton and the surrounding Brazoria County area with premium Texas-grown turf grass. The right grass depends on your sun, shade, and how you use your property. We offer Raleigh St. Augustine, Palmetto St. Augustine, Cobalt St. Augustine, Tifway 419 Bermuda, and Zoysia options like Palisades, Emerald, and Cavalier. If your yard has shade, Palmetto or Cobalt may be the best fit. If you want a durable, easy care lawn with more sun, Raleigh or Palisades may be a great choice. And if you need a tough grass for full sun and heavier traffic, Tifway 419 Bermuda is often a strong option. We also work with homeowners in Angleton neighborhoods and acreage properties. In some HOA communities, front yard grass requirements may be specific, so it's always a smart idea to check before you choose. If you're not sure what grass is best for your property, we can help you find the right solution. At Houston Grass, we help you choose the right grass and get your lawn started the right way. If you're ready to improve your Angleton lawn, give us a call or request a quote online.